Alright, this is AK Garage. Today I'm here to give you a tips which can help you to make your car last longer. Yes, make your car last longer. And I'm here to talking about car maintenance. Right, car maintenance here. What you're supposed to do that will make your car new, and then the engine will be in active position, or the performance of the engine will be good as you want. So these are tips I'm going to give you. One, don't joke with your service time. Yes, immediately the service has reached, you have to go and then change your engine oil. Immediately the service gets its time, change it. Because some shops, if you send your car there, they give you the time, the mileage that is supposed to reach, and then change your engine oil. So you have to follow that steps. And then two, you have to check your belt, drive belt. You have to check it. You have to check. You have to check your drive belts, right? So this is a drive belt. You have to know the condition of your drive belt. If the condition is no good, then you have to change it to avoid bigger costs, because this drive belt got torn. Some cars to use timing belt instead of timing chain. Use timing belt. So you have to know the condition, check the condition of your drive belt, and then the condition of your the timing belt. Yes, and then you have to know the sound of your engine. The sound of your engine, you have to know it. If the sound changes, that means you have to know that no, there is something. Yes, and then two, you have to pay attention to your dashboard, the light system on the dashboard. Have to know. So here to know to do good maintenance, set a routine for your car. Set a routine for your car, that your brake, you have to change your brake pad. You have to check your tires. Then you have to some certain parts like thermostat, you have to change it. And at the same time, don't overlook any leakages on your car. Yes, don't overlook. Immediately you see any leakage, you're supposed to send your car to mechanic or a technician to check what caused the leakage and where the oil or water is leaking from. Yes, and you keep your car clean to avoid when you get the time you want to sell the car, the color of the car will not fade, but you get it as a new as you want to sell, get your price. So this is the maintenance you're supposed to know. I said, okay guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel.